about the Constitution Day, I would like to talk about the Constitution and what it means. On the very onset, we all know that we have the longest written Constitution in the world. Yes? It is a set of rules by which our nation has to be followed. We as people need to ensure that we are following these rules, not only in letter but in spirit. This spirit is something which I would like to dwell upon, I would like to talk about. There are rules which tells us to do something, but if we go beyond the words which are being used and try keeping in mind the reason why they were written, the concept why they were used, we would become a better nation, a better city, a better school, and better human beings. We at present have the best constitution in the world because it has been researched. It is something which we have got by considering all the good things across the globe. Yet at times we feel that we are not the best in the world. So the rules are there, but we are not giving it the best which is available. We are not giving the best to the country. We are not giving the best to what is required of us. We Indians have been a beacon of hope to the globe and the region since the time we have gained independence. Be it Asian, be it non-allied movement, we have been someone who everybody has looked up to, the globe has looked up to. SAARC was established by India for regional cooperation. If we look at a region since the time of independence, I would not be calling it boasting, but stating a fact. We have been the best nation in a Southeast Asian region, not only because of growth or resources, but because of the system we have and we have set in place. Anybody across the country can go to any part of the nation and have the same right. Any religion, any gender, any creed, we all are equal. Anybody who is downtrodden, anybody who is not having as good ability as us, is given a chance to come up. Yet at the same time, we are going through some changes, some difficulties, which I'm sure will not change the nature of a constitution. They are only slight or small roadblocks, which we need to overcome at the earliest so that we can be the greatest and a beacon of hope to the nation, to the globe once again. There's a lot of problems which are happening at present. Lot of issues which were not there at all have suddenly started coming up. Be it boycott this or hate that. It is only starting because we at this difficult situation are frustrated, are having problems in living a life to the fullest, and this frustration is at times making us become slightly intolerant or try finding faults with others. Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb has been something which people, at least in the north, have been proud of throughout. If you look at our own village, our area, we got people from all, be it the Hindus, the Muslim or the Sikh, all are coexisting in such a manner that everybody is equal, everybody is like a brother. This is what we are as a nation. As youngsters, it is you who need to take care that you lead this ahead in the future. You ensure that these values are carried out and all these small roadblocks which have come up, these are overcome. As example, you have the nation builders, the people who fought for independence, the framers of the constitution, who gave a lot of their resources, their life, their time to get us the best possible what was available. Coming to the present time, you've got very great example of your parents who despite all difficulties are ensuring that you are getting proper education. Look at your teachers. Have a look at all of them who are standing here. Think about all of them who are working from home. Think about teachers from other schools across the country, across the globe. Every teacher in today's time is facing difficulties, is taking a personal risk to travel to school for the simple reason so that the children are given proper education, children are taken care of. Think about the policemen. Think about the army men. Everybody is a good example for us to ensure that we are giving the best to the country. We are forgetting all the problems which we are facing, which are coming away, letting go of them. We are ensuring that we are being the best, we are giving the best to the country, we are following the rules which are here, not only in letter but in spirit. Practically every boy is wearing a necktie right now, right? We need to wear ties, we are wearing it. But the spirit is that the tie should be knotted properly, the top button should be done. Think about it. Are you only wearing a necktie or are you wearing the necktie properly? Teachers are working day in and day out to provide materials to you. Are you just using the WhatsApp group to wish good morning and not attempting the exercise the teachers are giving you? Or you are doing more than what is required to ensure that you give the best and raise the standard of the school, take the name and glory of your family high, take your name high and ensure that you become better citizens of the world. We now need to move together, forget all the problems that we are facing, live through all the issues, non-issues which have crept up because of these things which are happening, and ensure that we are giving the best so that we are following the constitution in proper spirit, so that we are true human beings, not only in words but in proper spirit. Jai Hind, have a good day.